the manager of this employer is engaging in a sexual romantic relationship with a junior employee.
It's always a tricky one. An employer can't really regulate relationships. And I'm assuming that this is a consensual relationship. If it's not consensual, obviously we're dealing with sexual harassment and all those kinds of issues. What an employer could possibly do is, if they have a policy in place stating that if you have a romantic relationship, particularly between a senior and a subordinate, certain steps need to be taken in terms of possibly reporting lines and who takes decision in terms of this junior employee and all those kinds of issues. Naturally, if this relationship goes sour, there is an issue after that in terms of working relationship and the working environment. Then we can possibly start looking at compatibility issues in the workplace. But I'm making a lot of assumptions here that this will happen. But you can't regulate the relationships of employees. That's the
complex
crux of it.
issue.
It's a complex issue.
Yeah.
You can't regulate it, but it's always dangerous when you have especially a senior and a subordinate in a relationship, because it might open the employer up to sexual harassment and sexual misconduct charges. Because the employer, in terms of the Employment Equity Act, is responsible to prevent sexual harassment. So it's a tricky situation.